Hi everyone, how's everyone doing today? Well, here in Texas, another beautiful hot day. Yes. Okay, so today we're going to do, I'm going to still consider it a snack size because it's basically in between a small one and a medium. So let's call it a snack size. Okay, this one is called Hugo Hege. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, by Lowell Herrero. Okay, and it's a round. And I got this one actually on Amazon for $29.99. Okay, so it's a round because it's pink and it's a circle, and it comes always in a nice shiny box. Scan me and it says unlock for 10% off. It tells you step by step in the back how it works, what's inside the kit, and it comes in 3 languages: English, French, and Spanish. All right. So let's open this baby up. So, oh, look at this. It's a Nool toolkit. I think this came out actually last year. Not sure. This beautiful painting. Okay. All right, so let's look at the toolkit first because it's always a little surprise. All right, we never know what's inside. Okay, so we have a diamond pen with a single placer. That means you can only pick one drill at a time. Come on. Okay. And then you have the comfort grip, and that's supposed to go in here. See if I can get it in. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. And this is supposed to help with your hands for comfort. And then you have, oh, look how pretty this washi tape is. Did I turn? Yeah, let me just get this a little light, a little closer here so you can see better. See how pretty that is? It's very pretty. And then it comes with wax in a heart-shaped container, and always has a little plastic covering. So make sure you peel it back when you get the wax on your pen. So you have 2 of those in there. Then of course it comes with a tray. It comes with resealable bags just in case you're traveling and you don't have any containers with you. You could put them in these bags. And this is a cover minder. Look how cute. I don't have this one. Oh my gosh. It's a little pineapple. Isn't that adorable? So a cover minder is basically a magnet. So all the paintings come with a plastic covering to protect it. So you basically peel the plastic back. You put the cover minder on top of the plastic, and the magnet goes underneath the canvas and clicks, and it will hold the plastic back while you're diamond painting. And of course it comes with 2 other placers. So this is a 7 and this is a 4. So basically you can pick up 7 drills with this. Put this in your pen, and you can pick up 7 drills at a time, and with this one you can pick up 4 at a time. All right, so let's move all this aside and let's bring out the painting. Oh, and by the way, they always come with 2 stickers. So it comes with a small sticker and a big sticker. And the small sticker, you basically peel it, and you can put this on your box, or you can put it on your logbook. All the canvases always say Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, but I always say do what makes you happy. And this is basically just to protect it while it's traveling, which is nice. Okay, and all the canvases from Diamond Art Club I use very, very, very soft, like butter, and they're designed this way to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay, so let's get the drills out, and there goes the plastic. So these are the instructions. Well, thank you for your purchase. What's included in the kit? Tips and tricks and step-by-step instructions. Let's put that aside because we don't need that right now. And here's the big sticker, Hugo Hege, Hugo Hege, I think, by Lowell Herrero. You put the start date, and then when you finish it, you put the end date, and this you can go in your logbook. And it comes with pre-cut stickers, which is nice, so you could place these on your container or containers. And these are the drills. It always comes with a sticker, and it tells you the name of the painting. So just in case you separate this from the painting, you'll know that these drills belong to that painting. All right, so I'm just gonna, oh my God, it's adorable. Look at the size. You see what I mean? It's like a perfect little size. That's why I say it's like in between a small and a big one. I mean, in a medium one. So I'm just going to roll it just to flatten it a little bit, because we can. Okay, and voila. Oh my gosh. Is he not the cutest thing? Okay, let's move this back because of the glare. Is that better? All right, so that must be Hugo. Anyway, so let's just look to see first before we look at the painting. On the top, it tells you do what makes you sparkle, diamond art club. It's a diamond. You have two legends, one on the left hand side, one on the right hand side. And the legend comes in handy because it basically tells you how many colors this painting has. So according to this, it has in total 54 colors, and I believe it has 3 ABs. And then in the middle are the symbols, and the symbols are what you find in the painting. That's where you're going to place your drills, and these are just the DMC code. And yeah, okay. And then over here there's a picture, and then it tells you DAC Hugo Hege, and it's 17 inches by 13 inches, which is 43 centimeters by 33 centimeters, by Lowell Herrero, Diamond Art Club. And then in the middle, it says take 10 for 10% of your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And over here, you have the lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cashback rewards with every order. And let us look at this beautiful painting, guys. Oh my God, it is just adorable because he's just very cute. Look at him. But you know what's so funny? It's like he's freaking out because there is a butterfly on his nose. So it's like, oh, what do I do? What do I do? Should I stay still? What should I do? Okay, calm down. I won't freak out. Oh my gosh. It's like when you see, well, actually, when I see a bumblebee, I just run. But it's just beautiful. Love his big green eyes, yellow green eyes, his little fur, his whiskers, his pointy ears, and the sky. I love the background, and just his expression is just hilarious. And of course, if you look at it, I'll bring it up, but this cat really looks realistic and very detailed. And just by looking at it, I believe, I mean, there is 54 colors, so that means if you look at this, guys, the cat is a lot of, there's a lot of confetti, which means that you're going to have to be changing the drills. I'll bring it up so you can see. So there goes the sky, very clear. Look at his little pointy ears. There goes the pretty butterfly, and look at his expression. Oh my gosh. And his little fur, and yeah, just adorable. All right, so let's look at the colors. Okay, let's begin. 165. Oh, let's get this a little closer. 165 is moss green, very light. 301, mahogany, medium. 310, black. And 355, terracotta, dark. 402, mahogany, very light. 434, brown, light. 435, brown, very light. 436, tan. 453 is shell gray light. 470 is avocado green light. This is very pretty. 524 is fern green very light. 610 drab brown dark. 611 drab brown, just drab brown, yeah. And then 612 is drab brown light. 632 is desert sand ultra very dark. 640 is beige gray very dark. 645 Beaver Gray Dark. 647, Beaver Gray Medium. 648, Beaver Gray Light. 712, Cream. And 2 bags of 775. This is Baby Blue, very light. That's probably for the sky. 800, Delft Blue Pale. 813, Blue Light. 838, Beige Brown Very Dark. 839, Beige Brown Dark. 844, Beaver Gray Ultra Dark. And 898 is Coffee Brown Very Dark. 902, Garnet Very Dark. 935 is Avocado Green Dark. 945 is Tawny. 951, Tawny Light. 3032, Mocha Brown Medium. I think we can do one more row. 3033 is Mocha Brown Very Light. Can you see that? 3064 is Desert Sand. 3325 is Baby Blue Light. And 3371, Black Brown. 3756 is a very, very light blue. 3771 3771 is Terracotta Ultra Very Dark, Ultra Very Light. Okay, so I need to move them out of the way so we can make room for the others. Uh, 3772 Desert Sand Very, Very Dark. 3776 is Mahogany Light. Can you see that? Yeah. 3777 is Terracotta Very Dark. 3781 is Mocha Brown Dark. 3787 is Brown Gray Dark. 3790 is Beige Gray Ultra Dark. Let's turn this around. 3799 is Pewter Gray Very Dark. Almost finished. 3826 Golden Brown. 3830 Terracotta. 3841 Baby Blue Pale. 3857 Rosewood Dark. 3864 Mocha Beige Light. And the last one, 5200, which is Snow White. All right, looks like it's got like lots of browns in this one and lots of blues. All right, so now let's bring out the ABs. We have 3 ABs, which means Aurora Borealis, and it just means that the drill has an extra shine to it. All right, so this is a 132. It's like a orange. 135. It's like a yellow green. And 141 is white. So let's bring back the painting and let us see where these beautiful ABs belong. Okay, so this is when the legend comes in handy, guys. And we need to move this back because we don't need all that glare, do we? Okay, so 132 is, if you look at the legend, 132 is number 1, the symbol. So wherever you see a number 1 here, and it's like an orange, so it'll be easier to find. All right, let's see. What do we say? 1? Okay, it's not in the sky. And it's very, very little. All right, so yeah, and I just finished saying it'll be easy to find. I take it back. Oh my gosh. I see 5s, Where the heck are the ones? That's weird, guys. I don't see them. Do you? Ah, hello, Sylvia. It's on the butterfly. Ooh, that's going to be pretty. So the butterfly is going to be sparkly. And then this is going to be number 2 on the legend. Number 2 is on the eyes. Ooh, so the eyes are going to be glowing. Not glowing, but they're going to be sparkly. And then 141 is number 3. And number 3, it's going to be on the whiskers. Oh, the whiskers are going to be sparkly. Perfect. It's just perfect. Oh, and there's 3s right here on his eyes. And that's it. That's it, guys. Those are where the ABs belong. So this is going to be a very fun painting. This is actually a very good painting also if you're traveling and you're going to see your grandchildren or your niece or your cousins, and they might want to help you work with this, or they might want to work on alone. But anyway, this is a beautiful painting. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's a very, very funny painting on top of that. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And thank you. Bye-bye. Take it easy.